Don't splash me. I got the camera.
Come back. Home.
You're swimming home? Oh, you're driving. A water car, right?
Take a boat. Water.
Oh, a boat in the water?
Yeah. Take it all up. Whoa, Mommy. Mommy. Ooh, look, a really shiny one. Look at this rock.
Ooh,
It's like a horn. Mommy, look at this rock. Look, it's kind of like a horn.
There's a horn?
Mommy, look at this rock. And look at it.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this.
Oh.
It's a wine. It goes to
Dominic, no big rocks thrown by people.
Big one? Look at that one. Whoa,
Throw it over there, not by us. That's right.
Look at your hand. Look at my hand. Look at
What'd you find, Wyatt? A stick? Yeah? You are pretty deep. How are you gonna get back? Paddle?
Good. Look, we come back.
You're swimming back?
Let's in the water, Mom.
Yeah, you float.